Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're reviewing the Karcher WV6 Premium. Kärcher have made some changes to this which I'm excited about. I have also reviewed the Karcher WV5 Premium and the Karcher Window Vac 10-year anniversary edition. In fact, I have reviewed many Karcher products on GrumpyMan's Reviews. I will leave a link to my playlist in the video description box below if you want to watch them, and I will also leave a pop-up card as well throughout the video. Before I show you the Karcher WV6 in more detail and we take it to clean some windows, let's have a look at what was included inside the box. This is everything that's included inside the box of the Karcher WV6 Premium. You get some paperwork. Remember to register your guarantee with Kärcher. You get 2 years guarantee. You get some cleaning solution, instructions there. So you empty the whole lot into the bottle and then top the rest up with water. A charger, of course. The actual bottle itself, it does have a max line there, and it's showing you which way to open and which way to close. To connect the bottle, get this little head first, twist it on like so, and then you'd get the actual spray section, put that on and twist the bottom bit. The microfiber cloth is machine washable safe. That would fit on there, but if you were to clean larger windows, you could put this top of there, just clicks into place. Really fast way to clean your windows, and they are streak free. One small head, this is good for the smaller windows and your car. One large head. I absolutely love these heads because the older models did not have this technology what Kärcher have put into this one. It's really easy to clean now, because on the older ones, if you'd pick up a spill or something, like say milk, if your kids have spilt milk or even if you've spilt milk, no matter how much you washed it, there would still be residue left in the inside, and that was really annoying because, as you know, milk does leave a smell. But with this model, you could completely wash the whole thing. It's got that little tab there, just push that forward, and that would remove the top bit where it says Kärcher, and the rubber comes off. You could completely wash that, place it back, so it would only go on one way. The plastic bit, that would again just go on one way. Just make sure the ends of the rubber are there, and then just push back. There you go, that's on. Absolutely brilliant. I love this technology. Let's have a look at the actual body of the Karcher WV6. Charging port there, on off switch there. It's got a digital display there. When it's fully charged, it will say 100%. When it needs charging, it will say low. A bigger dirty water container there. It says max. This is easy to remove, empty and clean now. Just pull it off like so. It's got them 2 catches there, if you'll be able to see them there. Just twist that, that comes off. Put that back on, and you have to push it on properly and then twist it. Locks back on, and that just pops back in. It'll only go in one way. I'm going to be using this spray bottle. This came with my Karcher WV5 Premium Edition. All you do is spray, spray, spray. Because you can tell my windows haven't been cleaned for a while. I have the big head on. It does go right to the end. Because when I reviewed the Karcher WV5 Premium, my concern was it wasn't going to the end, but this does. You can see the lip. Overall, the upgrades they've made, I think, are really good. Really good for condensation and, of course, cleaning your spills. And because it's rubber, it won't scratch your surfaces, shower screen, inside of the shower, your tiles. I think it's a great product. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.